Everybody, storm's just come over. I don't know if you can hear it or not. How much percentage am I? I'm on 24. Okay, let me show you outside. I haven't looked outside yet. Let's see. Oh, look, that's delightful. Oh, well, that's lightning. Wow. Oh, there's more lightning. Okay, so basically this video ends when I see a lightning strike. Not a lightning bolt or whatever the flashes are. Like a lightning strike. You know what I'm talking about. Lightning bolt. I don't know. Yeah, lightning bolt. Not the flashes, like if I see, or if the camera sees a lightning strike. Might be a while. Let's play the waiting game. That sounded really fucking stupid. Another flash. Hasn't really stormed in a while. It's been like a year or two since we've had an actual proper storm. Did you see one? I think I just saw one. Oh no. Let's wait again. I might aim it up a little bit, so like, there we go. Oh, whoa, I don't know if you picked that up. Holy shit, that was huge. Okay, I guess the video ends. Bye.